Actually, this is the last last segment of the cable stay bridge, 640-meter long cable stay bridge. Once we lift this one, the entire bridge will be connected. And worldwide, wherever the cable stay bridge is there, the centerpiece lifting is an event. But most likely, the segment will be lifted during the high tide only. So the high tide is just 12:30. So between around 12 o'clock to 12:30, we'll lift the segment. The segment lifting, actually, once we connect that one, we start lifting. It's a very slow process. So that may take around 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours to completely go in place. Once this centerpiece is connected, then a lot of miscellaneous activities to be done. That is like asphalting, then fixing of crash barriers, then the load testing, of course. And these all is expected to take around 2 months' time. So hopefully in the month of November, it will be open to traffic. Since this is a final piece, so just to ensure that everything goes as per plan and it is all correct, nothing, no hitch, no technical issues are there. So our OVM team from China, they are here. The designers from Mumbai, they are here. A lot of technical inputs are going on, a lot of meetings have been done because level difference would be there to mitigate those differences, how to fix that one. Currently everyone is here checking all the things. Yeah, it took, definitely it took longer than we expected, but mainly that was because of the COVID. Because our designers all are based in France and China, so they couldn't come on mails and all. That was not possible unless they physically visited here. So that of course delayed. I'm happy. I mean, nobody will be more happy than me when the bridge starts.